In this video, I will show you how to fix microphone not working on this cord. The first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and check your microphone connection. Ensure your microphone is properly plugged in. If using a USB mic, try a different port, and if using a headset, confirm the mic is securely connected. Another thing that you can do is to verify this cord settings. So to do that, go ahead and open your user settings. You'll find it at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now on this area, go ahead and scroll down on the left hand side, which is actually the sidebar of this cord. Click on voice and video, and in here, make sure that you allow the necessary permissions asked by this cord, and you've set the input device into your microphone and the output device into your speaker. Make sure that you adjust the input volume, and you can also go ahead and test your mic if it works by clicking on that let's check button under the mic test section. And the last option that you have is to check Windows sound settings. Right click on the speaker icon in the taskbar and select sounds. Go to the recording tab and ensure your microphone is set as default. Right click your mic, select properties, and check the levels tab. Increase the volume if needed. And that's basically how you can fix microphone not working on this cord. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.